Hello SEO professionals, and welcome back again to this basic to advanced level SEO course. So today we are going to be talking about the title tags and the meta description tags. I'm going to show you how you can write well optimized title tags and meta description tags for your website in order to get more visibility and more organic traffic. But before that part of the tutorial, let's discuss what are the title tags and what are the meta description tags. And most importantly, why are they so important for your SEO and why do they matter when it comes to on-page SEO? So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial. Also, if you enjoy this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well so as to support this tutorial and help others watch this tutorial on the platform. Alright guys, so let's dive straight into the topic. First of all, what is a title tag? Well, a title tag is an HTML code tag that allows you to give a web page a title. This title can be found in the browser title bar as well as in the search engine results pages. And here is a snapshot of the title tags, and this is how it appears in the search results. So the next question is that what is a meta description tag? Well, a meta description is an HTML meta tag that acts as a 155 to 160 characters summary that describes your web page's content. It's the snippet of text that appears below your page title in search engine results pages. And here is a snapshot of the meta description, and this is how it appears in the search result pages. Whenever you search for a specific keyword or for the website you are looking for. Now the next most important question is that why these title tags and meta description tags are very important when it comes to on-page SEO, when it comes to the organic traffic, or when it comes to increasing the visibility of your website in the search results. Well, in fact, these two things are the first thing that appear within the search results. And based on the performance of these two things, it will decide the click-through rate and the organic traffic and the visibility of your website. Now, let me show you how it impacts your on-page SEO. Now, for example, whenever you search for a product or a service in the search bar, what do you basically look at? I'm sure you will look at the title tag first, and then you will read the description as well, and then you will decide if this website is worth visiting or not. And I'm sure you will be looking for the keywords you're looking. So for example, if you search for the black t-shirt in your city, so you will be looking at some things like the reviews, the prices. So that's why these title tags and meta description tags are very important for improving the click-through rate, the visibility, and the organic traffic of your website. So the title tags and meta descriptions are important because they are typically the first encounter that a user has with your site when they perform a Google search, and with all that competition, first impression do count. Alright, so now you know that what are meta title tags, what are meta description tags, and you also know that the importance of these kind of tags for your website, for your SEO. The next question you may have in mind is that since these are HTML codes and whether or not you should be a developer. Well, the answer is that you definitely not need to be a developer. Instead, if you are using CMSs like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix, every CMS provides you the opportunity to write a title tag or the meta description tag for the page you are writing about. So for example, if you are writing a blog post, you will find the place or the option in every CMS to provide a title to that blog post and a description to that blog post as well. In the same way, if you are writing a service-based web page or a simple product web page, so in every case you will find the option to provide the title tags and the meta description tags. Alright guys, so now here is a list of my top title tags and meta description tags tips so that you can follow and so that you can write well optimized title tags and meta description tags for your website in order to increase the visibility, click-through rate, and ultimately the organic traffic as well. So tips for writing SEO optimized meta tags. Number one, use your main keyword in the title tag. Include a number in the title tag. By number, I simply mean that you should add numbers like 2022, 10 tips to improve your health, 10 tips to improve your daily routine, as it increases the click-through rate of your titles. And keep it up to 70 characters long. Use power words like fast, quickly, instantly, and amazingly, and words like that, as it increases the interest of the users and the click-through rate as well. Use your main keywords in the description. Again, in the description you have to use your main keywords and the variations of your keywords, and make sure it describes the main content on the page. This is very important. Most of the people do it wrong because they provide something in the description, and when a user clicks on that results and actually visits the website, the web page, they find something else, and this is what really decreases the click-through rate of your results in the search result. And the next thing is to keep it up to 160 character long. Now the whole story is that to use your main keywords and the variations of your keywords in the title tags, meta description tags. Don't cross the character limits, and make sure you provide tons of value to users so that they click on your results in the search results, or when they search for specific keywords or related to the keywords that are related to your business, so that you are able to increase the click-through rate, the visibility, and of course the organic traffic as well. So I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial, and once again be sure to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the important tutorials regarding link building, technical SEO, and on-page SEO tutorials that we will be uploading over the course of next few days. Once again, thanks for watching and thanks for your time. And if you have got any questions, like, the comment section is always for you. Just go to the comment section and ask your questions, and I will be there to answer your questions very quickly. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next one.